Hi everyone, we are Team 25 and today we will introduce our book management system. I am Lama Cananova.
Hüseyin Mirzaev.
Enver Mirzaev.
Musa Aliyev.
And I will introduce the login and registration part firstly. That's our main.java, and with the help of this file we will run our code. Okay, that's our login register page. If you have no account beforehand, you can register. But if you have account, for example, let's get try. Let's say Python and give a password and try to log in. Invalid username or password. Please try again or register. It means that we have no account with this username. And I have account beforehand, that's why I try to this username. Okay, my password. Okay. Login successful. After successful login, we have the general database. It shows a title, also rating and the review in this page. We have also back button. We can back to our registration page. And here in the parentheses, we show that how many people rated this book. And here you can choose the book to add to your personal database. With this button, you can go your personal library. And here you choose the book and add to your personal database. Okay, let's give it a try. Add to your library. Here, that's your personal library. These books added beforehand by this user. And also we have again the back button, we can back here.
I'm saying I will explain also my part, which is editable, clickable parts, as well as a bit about personal database. So the first thing here in general database, we can see that we can click on certain users, certain user reviews. Here after we click, we can choose a user whose review we wish to see. For example, I wish to see the review of Ugar for this certain book. After I click it, I see the information about the book, and here I see information about Ugar and his rating and his review, where he wrote interesting, brief and precise. Also, we can enter personal database by clicking this button without the need to add any book. We can enter personal database. Here we can see the books of the library of Hüseyin, of me. Here I have two books that are completed, one that is ongoing and one not started yet. The books that is not started, we decided to go with the functionality that if you haven't started the book, you haven't spent any time on it, there is no reason to fill those gaps as you haven't started yet. If the book is ongoing, you can add spend time as well as the start time. But you haven't finished, you can't give it a review or rating because you haven't finished. But when you complete it, you can give it all. You can fully fill it. You can write the spend time in minutes. You can add start and end time. We made sure that end time cannot be before start time. So we can also change here. If you want to change the status, for example, I finished this book, I can click here this and choose completed. Then I can add the end time, for example, this way. Then I can click here or here, it doesn't matter. I can click here and there this window opens with the details. I can choose the rating from 1 to 5. For example, I put 4 here. And I can write anything I want. For example, wonderful script plot, sorry. And that's basically it. And we also have a delete button, which we can use, where we can, for example, delete this certain book. And book deletes successfully. And it's deleted from the system, so that when I re-enter the program, it will still be deleted. Yes, that's my part.
Okay, I am Vigar Muzdev and I will introduce the filtering and sorting part. Let's begin with filtering part, how to filter our data. For that we need to click here search cap and enter the name of whether author or title. For example, let's enter Homer and click search. You can see its name here and its books names here. Then how to sort our data. I mean, here there are several columns. How to let's say make them in ascending or descending order. For that, for example, let's take title as an example. If you click once title, it will sort the table by ascending order. If you click second time, it will sort the table by descending order, and if you click third time, it will be sorted to its original form. And this is the same for author. Then here we have personal database, and that form is applicable for status, spend time, and others. That's it.
My name is Musa. I will talk about the admin part today. You can register by two methods, the user part and the admin part. I will show the admin part. For admin part, you should put the admin for username and also for password. Now then login. Yes, in admin part, you can manage the users. You can add new book, delete book, update book. First of all, of course, you can change also the reviews. The example is I'm choosing the Le Mans review, and as you can see, if I choose the delete review, it will delete. Manage users, I can have access to the users, so I can delete. Of course, I will not delete right now. I can add a new book. For example, let's put this book for author George Orwell. The book added successfully. Now I can update my added book. Let's change it to 85, for example, and it's saved. And after that, we can go and delete our book by choosing here. All data are synchronized, so when you close the program, when you reopen the program, all data will be saved as a changed form. So thanks.